In color Indian Motorcycle Red, we have a 2018 Scout 60 ABS. 61 cubic inch V-twin engine, water cooled. And this bike has like no miles on it. Under 2,300 if I remember. Oh yeah, 2165 miles as of this moment. Previous owner upgraded the grips, the rider seat, and added a passenger butt pack. I don't know what that is. Beautiful, beautiful bike, low miles, late model, available for test rides 7 days a week at North County Indian Motorcycle between Vista and Escondido in San Marcos, right off the 78.